welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. And Tina is speaking of Donna and also Kris. She is talking a whole lot of things. And guys, it would be in your interest to go ahead and go watch a video and hear what she has to say about them. And a few other Plankanations that she's been speaking about. She also spoke about her body and about, someone comparing to her. But you have to catch a video to hear what she has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity, long life, and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, and my friends, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
And the whole of them a talk about my body spoil. So them not see the amper body, oh my body for spoil. And them see amper body every day. I pose so. I'm gonna fix myself, yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna show you how amper body I pose. Hold on. Give me a second. I'm gonna fix myself. Oh, my leg fall asleep, people. Hold on. I'm gonna fix myself because I sit down for so long. Hold on. Let me show you how amper body pose. I kid you not. I'm gonna show you how amper body pose. This is how amper body pose. Like she got it. Like she gotta do all of that. Just stand up and pose. And amper body have the big pum pum yaso, the big belly part. Like she need to go remove this part. She have this big part yaso. This need where this where amper body have yaso, big so. You understand? No. You understand? If you have a bad suit, more that show no. Right? Amper body yaso big. Like she have a body, she have a little baby belly. Right? Yeah. You get me? She need a revision this so. Or full par, or full far, whatever. Me need a second rule. Me need a second. Me didn't know me need a second but me now go get a second lipo. Like me need a second. I saw it go. You have to go back. Forget seconds. Forget the right. So the first wasn't 100%, but the second will make me 100%. I saw it work. But them not understand say I saw it work. You understand? You can't just go and come up and I saw it work. You have to go for revision. Like not really revision, but you have to go for a second round. I saw it go. But them not understand how it go. You like the dress is like a sweater. Them not understand how it go. You have to go for a second round. Because here why you see all them here? You have to go for a second round. You understand? For really like for carve me out now. Because remember me the shape like a carrot, Yeah. I feel like say them big woman here don't like me because them did want to go up on the table too and them never get a chance to go up on the table. I think that's what it is. Thanks. Yeah, them a bad mind, Gaza mania, them bad mind. Because them days done, them can't go up on the table no more. Because remember the one that Jamaica did that try to lose the weight for go up on the table, she probably still go up on the table. You never know. You never know. Yeah, she probably still go. Because remember, she obsessed with you, so yeah. Everybody got to do what they got to do for themselves. I'm not against nobody. I do nothing for themselves. I'm not against it. Them probably I go do it. I'm not ask Christ. Them have to pass it though, them have to healthy. Me know say me healthy. All when me there gonna do the breast them, me have to go through mammo and all sort of something. And me bravely go, you know. Me say when me do the mammo, I scream like a bitch. Me say me scream, it was like horrific. The one with the duppy belly. Oh, what she need? Oh. Yeah, but the one of them, that's why I'm not really, that's why I tell you, say, when them don't have it like that, it's not, remember, no, them not the education either, you know. So them are going to come with furniture, right? But all them are brag pan me about furniture and pan smooth. Kris don't live nowhere. And me, them should have brag pan. And Kris, them should have brag pan. See my bed right there, sir? I not put up my bed yesterday, people. I'm showing them my bed. I'm showing them my bed pan face, pan YouTube. I can't show them my bed on Facebook because Facebook, I'm showing them my bed on YouTube. I don't think I joke. I don't joke me I make. I'm showing them my bed yesterday. I'm showing them my bed. See my bed there? See it there? I think I drop me there I make. May I come out of the way, guys? See my bed there? I show it to you, right? See it? That's my bed. Nice and comfortable. Nothing funny. Nothing fancy. I go up on it and sleep and get up. That's it. A bed. That's it. I don't have no bag of excitement. It's a bed. What the excitement for? Nothing about a bed. Don't people. I don't need nothing more about a bed. Wanna think on a scale of 1 to 10, wanna score my bed. They up on YouTube. If you don't want to see the bed, you don't go up on YouTube. See the bed there? See my bed there? That's the bed. So no, I'm not give the sofa. I dash rid at the sofa there. See the bed there? Nothing. A bed. A bed is a bed. So I'm going to go on with excitement over bed for. See the bed there? Yeah. No foolishness. People are make up live about foolishness. But I'm showing you what I talk about with Miss Lady and our 10 million coach. I'm going to show you. You don't want to see it? Thank you, Sandra. I'm showing you. If you don't want to see it, you can go over YouTube. The Real Tina Chin on YouTube. It's over there. I'm showing you. Because this is a public video, yeah? So she had throw a word for me and stuff about furniture and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you something. Look here. It's a public video, right? Look here. She have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 alone on one side, you know. 1, 2, 3. And see the couch here. And then the candle thing them right here, so. Right? Wanna see it, right? 1, 2, 3. And the candle thing them right there, so. What I telling about last night. Wanna see it? The candle thing them. So she show off the rug. See there? The rug is nice, but you don't need 1, 2, 3 stools. The rug is nice. The couch is nice. But then Sydney I need for go. Yeah? Them need to go. Thank you, Patricia, baby. Them something that need to go. And then that's just one. That's just one side. Look on the other side. Look on the other side, people. Look on the other side. Look here. One more over here, so. That is one more now. So she have 1, 2, 3, 4 stools in front of the couch. 4 stools in front of the couch. 4. Right? 4 stools she have in front. Who never seat here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Them little baby stool here. Yeah. What you do with that? You don't need that. I mean, them not show them wood pan about furniture. I see them in a Burlington too for $40. $40 I see them in a Burlington for. Watch that. Well, yeah, I don't understand what I say, right? Then look here now. Let me show now. I'm going to show you something else now. I love the feature over on YouTube, you see, where you can show things. Right? Look here now. Look here now. Another stool thing. And another stool thing. You understand? 2 stool thing more. And this is just this is like 2 feet away from the other stool that I'm going to show you, you know. Right? And then the red flowers. The drapes are nice. The drapes are very beautiful. Very beautiful drapes. Very nice drapes. But where did this little stool thing come from and that over there? You know what I mean? I don't get the color scheme either. Where the red come from? Where this come from? I mean, I guess them are mixed silver or gold. Yo, me say, you're lucky. Me never did have none of 99 picture them. Me look if me screenshot it and send go give my friend them. Cause we did a chat them, you know. Yeah, man, we did a chat them. And I chat the house and all the house crowded and one bag of things. Let me see if me screenshot none of the house. Mama look. Me I look if me screenshot the house. Me not think me screenshot it, you know, people. No, me not screenshot it. Me did I look if me screenshot it. We can't talk about it another time. We can talk about it another time. Because me did I look if me screenshot it, but me never screenshot it. Me just did that fast, but me never screenshot it. You understand? But at this way I talk. These things here. 1, 2, 3. You don't need all of them. Them something there. Hey, a 99, hey. A 99 place I want to show now. But me think me did screenshot it and send go give my friend and it would in on my phone. But me not see it in my phone, people. Like me did I look for. But me not see it. Me don't know. Oh, I could have swear me screenshot it. Oh, but me telling you what my screenshot. My screenshot the dirty boy rum balls when tea from me. You see? Look how the dirty boy, the rum balls where Kris tea from me. Watch him. Him dirty rum balls them. You see it? You see the dirty rum balls that when him tea from me? He might talk about, he might sell it. Eh? The dirty rum balls them. Why I love that feature you can't go on to bed, to the backside. Let me show you something else. Look here. Look how the boy have me on him page. Look there. Look there. I me that, you know. I find, you know. In the boy album, you know. On him page, you know, him video them, you know. Him take my picture and put glasses over this. Tell me if Kris not big and careless. Where you doing my picture pan your something now? Where Kris are doing my picture pan him thing? No, sir. Hold on the people. I don't want the battery dead for me, you know. Oh, me have 10%. You understand? Look for me for the man thing. But I mislay the house. I think more that have in here, but me not see it. Cause me I screenshot it and send it go give my friend. But me think me could have swear me screenshot it, but me not see it in here. Jesus Christ. Oh no, I eat this? No, and I eat this. Jesus. Look on that one, she. Give you a better joke. Who for knows all this? Look on who a style people. Who for knows all this? You remember she take my shoes picture with my dry foot when I take out of my sneakers. When I did try on the shoes pan. Guess who for knows all this? Anybody guess who for knows all this get a cupcake? Only get one cupcake for the guess that knows all that. Guess who for know dirty knows all that? Guess who for dirty thinking knows all that? Look here again, make me show no another dirtiness. Them people here can't talk about me. Look here. Look on this side now. Look where you go Jamaica. Look who you are style. And look where you go Jamaica look like now. Look where you go Jamaica look like. And I try style and I show off for people. Look where you go Jamaica look like now. Huh? With successful people. Who successful, Diane? Who successful? No. Put back our comment. Who successful? Because them have a bag of furniture in them house and them house poured up, Diane. Who successful? Put back our ass comment. But I'm afraid with successful. Where them successful? Oh, them successful. Eh? Diane Simpson, come back here. Oh, them successful. Them have a bag of furniture from Home Goods in them house. That make them successful. Move your ass. I'll go sit down somewhere. You think them now chat me every day? Them chat me day and day. God damn shit and feel fit. God damn shit and feel fit, Diane. About chat successful people. Which one of them successful? Eh? Which one of them successful? Your favor shit house about successful. Wanna make vanity, make you think people successful. You think a material things make people successful? Move your ass. Me successful. Me wake up this morning. Me successful. I woke up this morning. That was successful. Move your blood clot. But oh, you think them not chat me every day? Them get every chance them get them chat me. I want to you. The only difference is that me do it up on my video. Look how much time them put up video upon me about the place. Look how much time them put up video about me upon the place and sit down and laugh and dash them word. Diane, move your nasty ass about successful people. Successful because them got Home Goods and Burlington and put and crowd up them house. And crowd them up them. So what? Me have a roof over my head. Am I homeless? Am I homeless, Diane Simpson? No, I'm not homeless, right? Okay. God damn shit. Am I homeless? I'm not homeless. I don't love excuse people behavior too much. Them put it out on social media just like how them talk about my daughter and drag me. Why me can't talk about them ugly furniture? Move your nasty ass and go damn shit. Them drag me and talk about me all the time. And shade me. So when them a shade me, when you never go over there and tell them, say, they must have shade me. You dunce no blood clot. You're one of them who sit down and worship furniture, and worship material things. Go name shit and feel fit. When I worship material things over here, so we dash your furniture over here, so go ahead. We don't hoard. But them successful. Successful how? And bills that kill them ass. Successful how and bills that kill them mama. Bills that kill them like shit. Me make we talk about the dryad now. Look how them go Jamaica and a style people. Look how them go Jamaica. You want to come put up my shoes and put up my foot. You want to come put up my foot and can't go get a proper hairstyle for go Jamaica. What you need to do, you need to go sit down and get your hair done and stop do things yourself with your cheap self. You understand? Go and sit in a chair and go get your hair professionally done before you come style people. Right? You come as style people. Eh? You're styling people and look at your ear. Look at you. Look at how you went to Jamaica. And you dip on the internet to style me. Eh? Look at how you went to Jamaica and dip on the internet to style me. Look on your head side. That not supposed to happen to your wig until like 7 days later. You know, or 3 or 4 days later when you go beach or something.